should you stream on Twitch or YouTube? Which platform is gonna help you grow faster and make more money? And today I'm gonna break it all down, no fluff, just facts, so you can choose the best platform for you. Now, if you're new here, welcome to the Streamer Academy, where I teach you how to start, create, and grow your stream. So go ahead and visit thestreameracademy.com for tons of free resources. Now, if you're starting from zero, one platform gives you a huge advantage over the other. But let's go ahead and break it down and look at the pros and cons of each, and then I'll share my recommendation. The first thing we're gonna look at is growth and discoverability. Which one helps you get found? Now, when it comes to Twitch, it's harder to get discovered, but here are some of the pros for Twitch. 1, it has a built-in audience for live streaming. 2, super active chat and community. And 3, raids and host features help you connect with other streamers and communities. But here are the cons. No discoverability unless people already know you, and you have to stream consistently to stay relevant. And then of course, Twitch favors bigger streamers, making it harder for new ones to be able to grow. So what's the bottom line here? If you start from zero on Twitch, Twitch alone is not enough. You need to bring in viewers from other platforms. Now, when we move into YouTube and talk about discoverability, it is easier to get discovered. And here are what the pros are. Number 1, live streams stay as videos, so you get views even when you're offline. You also get access to YouTube Shorts and long form videos that drive traffic to your live stream, and the algorithm pulls content to show it to new viewers, giving you free exposure. But there are some cons. Live chat isn't as hype as Twitch. No raids or strong community features, at least yet, and the gaming audience is a lot smaller than Twitch. So what's the bottom line here? If you're starting from zero, YouTube is way better for long-term growth. But let's talk about monetization. Which platform pays you more? So Twitch allows you to get to monetization faster, and here are what some of the pros are. To get access to the affiliate program by having 50 followers, 3 average viewers, and you can start earning. You also get access to Twitch Prime subs, which is free for Amazon Prime users, but you still get paid. And you also have bits and donation, which makes it easy for you to earn money. But here are the cons. Twitch takes 50% of your sub revenue. YouTube takes only 30%. You don't really get passive income. You have to be live to make money. The bottom line is Twitch is great for fast cash, but it's not reliable unless you stream consistently. Now, when it comes to YouTube, you have higher earning potential in the long term. So here are what the pros are going to look like. You get 70% revenue split, which is way better than Twitch's 50%. You get more revenue streams from super chats, membership, and ads. And you also get passive income because your past streams and videos keep making money. But here are the cons. You must hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to monetize. Super chats and memberships are less common than Twitch subs. So truly, the bottom line is YouTube takes longer to monetize, but you'll make more money per view in the long run. So let's talk about what is going to be the best streaming strategy for you. So there's 2 options. Option number 1, which I believe is the best for growth, is to go ahead and multi-stream. Why pick one when you can do both? You can use OBS to stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time, and I have a video on my channel showing you how to do that, and I'll put it in the description below. You can build both platforms and see where your audience grows faster. So here's what an example what that strategy could look like. You can stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time, and then after the stream, turn the best moments into YouTube Shorts and TikToks. So you'll use Twitch for community and engagement, and then you'll use YouTube for discoverability and monetization. And again, I have a video on my channel on how I would grow a stream if I only had 10 hours a week, and again, I'll put that in the description below. Now, option 2 is to just go the YouTube first approach, which is best for long-term growth, especially if you don't want to multi-stream. Start with YouTube. Focus on YouTube Shorts plus live streaming to grow faster, and then once you hit YouTube monetization, add Twitch for extra engagement. So here's my personal recommendation if I was starting in your shoes. I would take the multi-streaming route and stream to both Twitch and YouTube. I would then use YouTube Shorts and TikTok to bring traffic to both, and then once I got monetized on YouTube, I would lean into YouTube as my main platform and create more content. And the reason why is that you don't want to rely on one platform. You want to diversify, grow, and monetize so much smarter. But if you want to multi-stream to both Twitch and YouTube, go ahead and watch this video right here where I show you step by step how to go ahead and do it inside of OBS Studio. I'll see you in the next video.